Hello guys, this is Ray once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create Facebook app ID. So if you're trying to run an app install campaign from Facebook ads, you need to integrate the Facebook SDK on your app. Without having that, Facebook will not allow you to run the app install campaign because they need to be able to track the install and conversion of the campaign that you're doing. So for you to have the ID, Facebook app ID, you will create a new app from your Facebook developers dashboard. So just go to developers.facebook.com, but ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account first before you do this. Developers.facebook.com/apps. And you're going to see the apps you have there. If you don't have any other app, you'll be given the option to create a new one. So like here you see there are different apps. So we're going to go ahead and create a new app. Now we just select the business profile that is there and say next. Then we'll not choose any of these: authenticate and request data from users. We can launch a game on Facebook or access the Threads API. We'll go to others and we click next. Then here it says select an app type: a consumer, business, instant game, workplace. So we're going to go with business because business is what we're trying to achieve. It's under here: create or manage business assets such as pages, event groups, ads, messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram graph API using the available business permission features and products. So this is what we're going to go for. Then we click next. Now it's going to ask you for the details. Okay, add an app name. So the app name is Scholarship Village, and the email is info @scholarshipvillage.com. Then it said business portfolio. You select this, whatever that was there. You click create app. So it's going to ask for the password to re-authenticate. So you go ahead and select the password or provide it and go ahead. Okay, so now that you've done this, you see the app has been created among other apps. Then this is the app ID. The app mode is in development. So I'm going to switch it to live, but it will require certain things. You must provide a valid privacy policy and terms and conditions. So this can be achieved on the basic settings. So we click and we proceed to basic settings. So now this is the app ID and the app secret is here. So we're going to provide the privacy policy here, which is definitely going to be the name of the site /privacy policy. And same thing should go for terms and condition. Okay, so now we've done that, we click save. Okay, so the settings is saved. Now we should be able to switch to live. Okay, so now it's live. We'll be able to have our app ID, we'll be able to have our app secret, and one last thing, the app token. So that should be under advanced. So this is the client token for the app. Okay, guys. So that is how to create your Facebook app ID to use for your Android app integration for the Facebook app install campaign. So I'm going to integrate this information, the token, the secret, and the app ID on the app while integrating the Facebook SDK on the app so that the app can identify, Facebook ads can identify the app and the corresponding app, Facebook app here. So that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.